Hello, we are customers from the Latvia, so we are interested in laser cutting machine and also in tube laser cutting machine. So we found DXTECH company is a company which can solve our tasks. So we was invited for the factory and we found very friendly team, professional team, which can solve all our tasks. We are recommended to communicate with this company if you have ideas to cut material professionally with good machines. And what can I say? From the what we found, machine assembled very well, the stuff working well, quickly. Also the service supporting us very well. So only more advantages than disadvantages. The disadvantage is that maybe our trip is too long, but it's make a sense to see the factory and meet people and discuss about the projects we are interested in. Thank you.